Hello, students of class 12. Today we will learn about mixed income of self employed. We know three types of income generates in an economy. In any business firm, if you consider any particular business firm, you will see three types of income generates. Number one, compensation of employees or income from labor. Example, wages and salaries. This is income from labor. Another type of income, number two, is income from property. Example, rent and interest. Rent is a payment for use of land. Interest is a payment for using others' fund. So these are property income. And number three, income generates from entrepreneurial service, profit. So these are the three types of income generates in any business firm and in the entire economy. But you have to keep in mind that a good number of people, good percentage of people are self-employed people in an economy. Vegetable seller, one shopkeeper, or any people running business in transport sector, running their own business. They are not working under any enterprise, any firm. They are running their own business. These are self-employed people. And in these cases of self-employed people, it may happen that they are supplying all required factors of production from their own. They are not hiring any factor of production from market. For example, one shopkeeper, he is using his own land. So there is no question of payment of rent to anybody. This shopkeeper is not taking any loan from any financial institution. He is using his own fund. So there is no question of payment of interest. This man may use his own labor power or his family labor may be used in his business. So there is no question of payment of wage also. So when the income generates, when the shopkeeper earns, in the end, throughout the year, you cannot separate which part of this income is due to his labor power and which part of income is due to his property and which part of income is due to his entrepreneurial service. Because there is no payment of wages. How do you know the payment for labor? There is no payment for property, no interest payment, no rent payment. How do you understand what part of this income is due to payment for property income? And what part is for his entrepreneurial service? Entire income is in mixed form. There is no question of payment to any factor of production. All factors are supplied by himself. All required factors of production are being supplied by the producer himself. No factor payment. So in this situation, in case of self-employed people, income generates and remains in mixed form. We cannot separate which part of this income is due to labor and which part of income is due to property. Now we have to see how to calculate mixed income. Here is the list of some items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 items are given to you, and you are asked to calculate mixed income. You will start with the equation domestic income is equal to 3 forms of income. Domestic income means NDPFC is equal to C compensation of employees income from labor plus OS income from property and entrepreneurship operating surplus plus mixed income. In these 3 forms income generates in the economy. Now if NDPFC is known to you, CE is known to you, operating surplus is known to you, easily you can calculate mixed income. You are given NDPFC. Item number 1, NDPFC is 500. So in place of NDPFC, write 500. C means compensation of employees. See the items like wages and salaries, 175 is a part of compensation of employees. And employers' contribution in different social security schemes, 25, it is also a part of compensation of employees. So item number 2 and item number 3, wages and salaries and employers' contribution, composed total compensation of employees. So compensation of employees means item number 2 and item number 3. Item number 2 is wages and salaries. Item number 3, employers' contribution. Adding these two, we get compensation of employees. OS means operating surplus, income from property and entrepreneurship. What is income from property? In this list, rent and interest is income from property, item number 4. So for OS, we have to consider item number 4. And also, income from entrepreneurship is profit, item number 5. These two are compensation of employees, these two are for operating surplus, and mixed income is unknown. Put the values. 500 is equal to item number 2 is 175, item number 3 is 25. This compensation of employees. Item number 4, rent and interest, 150 plus item number 5, profit, 100. This gives you operating surplus plus mixed income you have to calculate. So 500 is equal to, here it is 200, C is becoming 200. Operating surplus is 250 plus mixed income. So what is mixed income? Mixed income is equal to 500 minus 200 plus 250. 450 is equal to 50 is mixed income. So two things we have discussed here. Number 1, what is mixed income? Mixed income refers to the income of the self-employed people which is in mixed form, and in that case we cannot separate what is income from property and what is income from labor. This is mixed income of self-employed people. And to calculate mixed income, we start with the equation domestic income is equal to CE plus OS plus MI. domestic income is given to you, C is given to you, OS is given to you. From this equation we are getting MI is 50. This is the concept of mixed income and way of calculation mixed income. Thank you all. We conclude here.